Okay guys, how was that playing at King Tut's?
Amazing. Yeah, it was really good. Yeah, just to be able to play at King Tut's obviously is great and excellent.
So how does it feel being a winner?
I don't know. Just really, really good. Yeah, we're great that we've made this trip down here and come and show them what we've done, and just great that people have liked it. And yeah, it's brilliant. We've had a great time. Yeah.
So how does it feel winning a competition? Because I suppose it's not normal for bands to be into competitions. But how did you feel when you heard your name called out?
It's pretty good. You just feel appreciated. You know? It's nice that people enjoyed it. A lot of people came up and said, during the concert, said, "Oh, we really enjoyed it."
Yeah.
So it's a good thing.
And what festival are you going to be playing at?
Bluebell. Playing the Bluebell Festival in Inveraray in May. Yeah, end of May.
So have you ever been to the Bluebell Festival before?
No, never.
So you're looking forward to it now, eh?
Yeah, oh definitely. We're really looking forward to it. We just loved playing here tonight, and it was just such an honour to play in such a place like this and to be chosen as one of the winners tonight. So yeah, great.
So how important is it, do you think, for companies like CalMac to be sponsoring and helping musicians in Scotland?
I think it's really important, particularly when it's called CalMac Culture, celebrating music throughout Scotland, and particularly our type of music. We're celebrating the sort of Gaelic Scottish culture side of things, the traditional culture, but just with a contemporary twist. So yeah, we're really, really delighted.
So what do you think the biggest thing you'll be looking forward to playing at the festival?
Just seeing so many fantastic bands and just experiencing the crowd and so many people. It'll be fantastic. Really looking forward to it.